I made $245 with ClickBank. In this video, learn how to make $245 a day promoting a ClickBank product. And if you're first time here guys, here I'm uploading the videos related to affiliate marketing. That is a business model which will help you to make money online working from your home. Watch few of my videos guys. If this create value to you, do subscribe my channel. And if you like this video guys, do not forget to like this video guys. Smash that like button right now, right away guys. I'm showing you the process. I'm also showing you the proof. So here I am in my dashboard of ClickBank guys, and here you can see this. I made $245.55. So in this video I'm going to show you right that how I made it, which product I promoted, and the strategy which made me $245 in a day. This is really important to watch the video till the end guys to know that. Right now I'm not running any paid ad, so this what you're seeing is from my YouTube channels. That is my organic source of getting the traffic. So with that said guys, let's dive into the marketplace of ClickBank so that I can show you the product. So here we are in the marketplace of ClickBank, and here you can see that they have a lot of categories here. Generally I promote the product related to e-business or e-marketing or weight loss offer or manifestation offer, but recently I went to promote this green product guys. I generally stick to one niche only, and if you click here guys, so this is the product, new battery reconditioning, and this is a product guys to recondition the batteries, right, or regenerate the batteries. Okay, this is a very old product, and if you see the vendor spotlight here, this product came in 2015, and still in this pandemic also this product is doing very well. That is the reason I'm not promoting any weight loss offer or kind of a manifestation offer more, and I was just testing this offer because I saw this, right, it's still doing well. Okay, and then guys, and if you open, this is their sales page right now. Here you can see this. Okay, so this is bring old battery back to life again, bringing dead batteries back to life simple. Okay, so that is how to recharge the batteries, or right, all these things. So this is their sales page. So here you can see this guys. I bought 745 hobs and I made $245.55, and there is no upsales till now guys. So let's open their affiliate page. So this is their affiliate page, but we want their resource page. So once if you put this email guys, they will give you the resource page. So this is their affiliate page here guys, and here you can see they have given all the affiliate resources so that you can promote with paid traffic as well as guys a free traffic also. So here you can see this, they have given affiliate link, email swipe, banner, landing page, Facebook ad kit, lead magnet, so that you can collect the emails, demographic, right, as well as in the tools guys you will get right interest target, keywords, headline, and all those things here. So a good product will give you all the material guys like image, banners, as well as video ads, demographic, and all those things, so that you can target and you can promote. Okay, this is very good product to promote to any beginner guys. If you are in this niche, you can try with this product. And now how I promoted this product guys, I created a blog article right here. Here you can see this guys, I created a pre-sales page here guys. It's just very simple pre-sales page, and I promoted this pre-sales page with the Facebook ad guys. Now how you're going to create this pre-sales page? For this guys, you can create this pre-sales page with GetResponse or whatever the landing page builder you're using, or else guys you can also use Google site. Type in the Google guys, Google site, and just make a sign in. It's very free guys, and here you can create any Google website guys like WordPress. Okay, they have a lot of templates here which you can use. And if you want to create a simple one page or a small website guys, Google site is very good. So using this only guys, I created this one simple landing page, and this is responsive also guys. Look at this. So it's very easy to create it guys. Look at this. This is how you can create it. Everything is drag and drop. All the layout you need, you'll get the layout to drag and drop. You need a text, image, everything you can do this here, right? And you can create the home page and all guys, adding so many page here. You can add the page guys, whatever the page you want to add. It's just very simple. And the themes, you will get a limited themes also here guys, which is okay to start a small website here. One of the very important recommended thing is guys, add your own domain. You can also use your custom domain here guys. You can buy from Bluehost, it's only $4. So, and you can use that domain here, right? So it's very important to promote with any paid traffic platforms. Okay, so it's very simple. Now how I created this blog. Okay, for this guys, if you see this, they have already given how to promote with Facebook ad kit. Okay, if you click here guys, they have these rules. I will highly recommend you to read all of these things, guys. Otherwise, they will not going to credit you the profit which you make, right, with ClickBank. Okay, they have the rules. Okay, so here, where should you send Facebook traffic? They have said, right, pre-selling page or the qualifier Quizlander. Okay, you can create a Quizlander page. You need a Facebook page also. I always mention in my YouTube videos, you can download the qualifier and then you can recreate in the ClickFunnels or Elite pages. So they have given, right, the affiliate link as well as pre-selling page as well as Facebook approved ads, demographic interest and everything. If you click here, guys, Facebook approved ads, right, look at this. These are the image you have to use while running the Facebook ad, because I'm not going to show you, right, how to set up the ad. I already have a video how to create a Facebook ad. If you have not watched that video, the link is popping up right in the window, so do watch that video, guys. After this is the image you have to use if you create a landing page also, as well as, guys, also a content, right? That is the blog article which I created here. When it comes to Facebook demographic, guys, set up this demographic here which they have given. They also have given the most converted countries. This one, right, Australia, Norway. Use only one trap variable at a time, guys. If you're targeting Australia, target Australia. Do not use the Norway, New Zealand and all, because all the time zones are different everywhere, as well as their CPC will be different and you're not able to track with the Facebook ad. Okay, you can watch that video which I recommended, because that will guide you everything. Also, there are a few mistakes a affiliate marketer do while running a Facebook ad. For that, you have to watch this video which is popping up right now. These are the two videos which I recommend you, which will help you to guide, okay, before you set up the ads. Okay, as well as they have given us the interest target also. Here also, guys, target one variable at a time, because I got a lot of conversion, right, targeting all of this, right, keywords. Okay, I have made different ad set to target with it. To create this kinds of article, what you have to do is, guys, they have a pre-selling page with Facebook. Look at this, Facebook friendly pre-sell page. If you open this one, guys, this is their pre-selling page. Okay, just I converted in my own words, and you can convert in your words also, or you can use the same as it is also. If you see this, guys, everything is right, already have the affiliate link. Let me show you here. So anybody click this will take you to this video sales letter. Hope you got some value from this, guys. And if you want to know something more about it, guys, let me know in the comment. I will answer you there. So if you like this strategy, guys, give the thumbs up to this video right away, right now, guys, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. And if you want to learn how to run Facebook ad and the mistakes which you have to avoid running the Facebook ad, watch these two videos right now.